Good morning everybody, and now we carry on with mathematics, exercise 6.1, and we're now doing number 4 and number 5. So please pause the video and see if you can work through exercise 4 and 5, and if you have any problems then watch the rest of the video and I'll do one or two examples from those exercises that we can work through together. Okay. Right. Question 4D. 4D. We have 5q squared minus 2q bracket q minus 12 and minus 3q squared. Okay, nothing much has changed here. This 5q squared can just stay outside the bracket. So, but if you look at this, you've got a bracket multiplied by 2q here, and here you've got 5q squared, and here you've got minus 3q squared. So we can, to simplify this, we can straight away subtract this minus 3 from this 5 here to make our working easier. So let's do that first. 5 minus 3 is 2q squared. Already makes it simpler. Now we can multiply the bracket. We got minus 2q squared. That's a 2, that's a 1. We get minus 2. Q times q is q squared. Then our next term inside the bracket is minus times a minus is a plus. And 2q times 12, we multiply 2 times 12 is 24. And the q, we just carry on. Okay, now we can subtract these two. But 2q squared minus 2q squared is the same thing, minus the same thing, that is 0. And this is plus 24q. So our answer is 24q. Okay. You can do this in any order. You know, you can write this, then multiply that, then write this, and then get all the like terms together, or you can subtract those if you see it. Sometimes you don't see it. Well, then it doesn't matter. You can just work from left to right. We carry on with number 4E. 4E. I've just picked out a few of the ones that seem to be a little more advanced. 18pq minus 12p bracket, and this is 5q minus 7. This then works out, this 18pq stays there. Multiplying 12 by 5 is 60, it's minus 60, and p times q is pq. Notice how I write pq. I can write qp as well, but I'm used to pq because your brain uses alphabetical order. But pq and qp is exactly the same thing. Then we multiply this minus by this minus, we get plus. 7 12s are 84. Now we can add the like terms. 18 minus 60 is going to be minus because that is the biggest number, and it's going to be 32. No, 42. PQ plus 84. And there's your answer. Right. That's question 4. Moving on to question 5 now. 5b is 11x minus 6 minus 2x. So, what has changed? There's no number written here. Am I right? No, there is a number here. It's 1. Means that this bracket is multiplied by 1. But not just by 1, it's multiplied by minus 1. Because we don't write the 1 in there, but there's actually a minus 1 in there. So this is equal to 11x. Minus times 6, minus 1 times 6 is minus 6. And minus 1 times minus 2 is plus 2x. Adding the like terms gives us 13x minus 6. Here you are. Moving on to the next example that I'm doing from this question is 5f. 5f is 4x minus 1 minus 3x minus 6. Okay, the 4x we just rewrite here, carry it down. 2 times 1 is 2, but it's minus 2. And 2 times 3 is 6, but it's plus 6, and don't forget the x. And this minus 6 is just minus 6, stays minus 6. Now we can add the like terms. These two are similar terms, so this is 10x. 4 plus 6, and minus 2 and minus 6 is minus 8. Here's your answer. Okay. And then 5h. 5h is x minus 3 minus 2x minus 4. Multiplying them out now, because x is outside here, so x times x is just x squared, which is actually plus x squared, but we don't need to write that. X times minus 3 is minus 3x, and then minus 2x, minus 2 times x is minus 2x, and minus 2 times 4 is plus 8. Adding the like terms, minus 3 plus, minus 3 minus 2, oh, okay. The x squared we just bring down. Rewrite the x squared. Minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5x. And the 8 we just bring down. This is quite a special expression. It's a trinomial because it has 3 terms. One term separated by a minus, one term separated by a plus, one term, 3 terms. Okay, the highest order of this trinomial is x, is this 2 here, x squared. Okay, and we're writing it in order. First the x squared, then the x to the power of 1, and then this is actually x to the power of 0, which is just 1. Okay, so descending powers of x. And there's your answer. Okay. Thank you very much.